According to a statement issued on July 31, 2024, by ROSTEC, a Russian state-owned conglomerate that develops and exports high-tech industrial products for both civilian and military applications, Rostec has successfully delivered another batch of its innovative 2S43 Malva 152mm 8x8 wheeled self-propelled artillery guns to the Russian military, which is currently deployed in Ukraine. The 2S43 Malva is a 152mm 8x8 wheeled self-propelled howitzer designed to effectively destroy command posts, defensive structures, artillery and missile batteries, air defense positions, armored vehicle columns, and enemy troops. Notably, it includes a simultaneous fire rate mode, which allows multiple shells fired at different trajectories and speeds to hit the target at the same time. One of the significant advantages of the Malva self-propelled artillery gun is its increased maneuverability, as well as its rapid deployment and withdrawal capabilities, which are critical in the context of intense counter-battery combat in Ukraine's Special Operations Zone. Furthermore, the wheeled howitzer requires less maintenance than tracked self-propelled artillery units. Bekhan Ozdoyev, industrial director of Rostec's Conventional Arms, Ammunition, and Special Chemicals Complex, stated that the 2S43 has a firing rate of more than 7 rounds per minute, a range of over 24 kilometers, and an ammunition capacity of up to 30 rounds. The Malva's dimensions make it easy to transport by military aircraft like the IL-76, allowing for rapid long-distance deployment. The self-propelled gun is outfitted with high-strength steel cabin armor, which provides excellent protection against small arms and shrapnels. On June 3, 2024, a Ukrainian observation drone detected the Russian self-propelled artillery system 2S43 Malva in the Belgorod region. TSNE Burevestnik developed the Malva, which will be manufactured by Ural-Transmash, a subsidiary of Urovanzavod, a company known for its armored vehicles, and will be available in 2023. This modern system appears to be effective on the front, though there is currently limited data available. The development of the 2S43 Malva began in 2021, with the first firing tests taking place the same year. The Malva's state trials were completed on May 17, 2023, and it will enter service with the Russian Army in 2023. The deployment of the 2S43 Malva in Ukraine emphasizes its strategic significance and the capabilities it brings to the battlefield. The Malva was first reported in combat on June 9, 2024, when it was used to destroy Ukrainian bridges in the Kharkiv direction, cutting off Ukrainian troops' supply routes. This latest deployment is expected to increase the Russian military's operational flexibility and combat efficiency in the current conflict. The 2S43 Malva has several key technical features, including a 152mm caliber howitzer mounted on a BAZ 8x8 wheeled chassis. It can fire over 7 rounds per minute and has a range of more than 24 kilometers. The howitzer can hold up to 30 rounds of ammunition and is outfitted with high-strength steel cabin armor to protect against small arms and shrapnel. The system also includes a simultaneous fire rate mode that allows for synchronized multi-shell impacts. The 2S43 Malva self-propelled artillery system gives Russian troops in Ukraine significant tactical advantages, including increased mobility and maneuverability thanks to its 8x8 wheeled chassis, which allows for quick deployment and repositioning. Its longer range and faster firing rate make it more effective in counter-battery operations, and the simultaneous fire rate mode improves precision and impact on targets. Furthermore, the Malva provides simpler maintenance and lower operating costs than tracked howitzers, as well as robust protection against small arms and shrapnel, making it a versatile and resilient asset in the conflict. The 2S43 Malva, a self-propelled tracked gun which boasts superior maneuverability, is capable of traversing staggering distances of 1,100 kilometers, 683 miles, on public roads without the need for refueling. The howitzer was developed by the Burevestnik Central Scientific Research Institute, which is part of the Russian corporation, Urovanzavod. Mounted on an 8x8 wheeled chassis, the 152mm howitzer is capable of destroying almost any object with high explosive fragmentation shells at a range of more than 24 kilometers, 14 miles. The truck-mounted system is specifically created to annihilate command posts, defensive structures, artillery, rocket and mortar batteries, air defense systems, as well as columns of armored vehicles and personnel. In particular, the howitzer can fire all types of artillery ammunition and use the so-called fire assault mode, in which the gun simultaneously hits a target with multiple projectiles moving along different trajectories. The 152mm caliber allows use of all standard Russian artillery munitions. In addition, the system makes use of automation to assist the crew in performing position location, emplacement, and loading, enhancing the howitzer's operations in combat situations. The range of the gun is identical to other 2A64 cannon at 24 kilometers for high explosive, heat, and 40 kilometers using rocket-assisted projectiles. As with all self-propelled artillery systems, their critical advantage is their ability to quickly move into position, emplace, fire, and then move to relocate. This capability has been demonstrated in the current conflict to be vital, as has been demonstrated that an artillery position can be detected, located, and often engaged by counter-fire within as little as 3 minutes of firing its first rounds. Thus, the ability to immediately move following completion of a fire mission has become key to surviving on the battlefield. Truck-mounted artillery offers that with advantages over other current options,